What should I do if my carbon monoxide detector keeps beeping even after I've changed the batteries?
Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss a very crucial safety topic. What should you do if your carbon monoxide detector keeps beeping even after you've changed the batteries? It's important to understand the measures to take in this situation, as it could be a matter of life and death.
Why is your carbon monoxide detector beeping?
The first thing to understand is why your carbon monoxide detector might be beeping. There could be multiple reasons for this, but the most common are: 1. Low battery. 2. End of life warning. 3. Detection of carbon monoxide in the air. Since you've already changed the batteries, we'll focus on the latter two possibilities.
What to do if it's an end-of-life warning?
Most carbon monoxide detectors have a lifespan of around 5 to 7 years. If your device is older than this, it's possible that it's signaling its end of life. Check your device's user manual to understand the specific beeping pattern that indicates an end-of-life warning. If this is the case, replace the unit as soon as possible to ensure you and your family remain protected.
What to do if it's a carbon monoxide detection?
If your detector is beeping intermittently and you've already ruled out low battery or end-of-life warning, this could indicate the presence of carbon monoxide in your home. Here's what you should do. 1. Immediately evacuate everyone from the house. Don't forget your pets. 2. Call your local fire department or gas company from outside the house. Let them know you suspect a carbon monoxide leak. 3. Do not re-enter your home until professionals have investigated and cleared the area. 4. Seek medical attention for any symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, which may include headache, dizziness, nausea, confusion, and unconsciousness. Your carbon monoxide detector is a critical safety device in your home. If it's beeping continuously and you've already changed the batteries, it's crucial to take immediate action. Whether that's replacing an old unit or investigating a potential carbon monoxide leak, your safety and the safety of your household should be your top priority. I hope this video has been informative and can help you take the right steps when dealing with a beeping carbon monoxide detector. Stay safe.